Yes, welcome. We are going to be looking at the history of accounting. When was it that accounting started? We're going to be looking at a brief history of accounting. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. If you're preparing for JAMB, WAEC, NECO, GCE in Nigeria, this is the best site for you to get everything you need. Subscribe to our channel immediately. Get your friends to know about it. Support us in any way that you can. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. If you have suggestions on the areas that you have problem in, we should work on, always let us know so that we can put them together immediately and send it across to you. This is Augustine Emeka from Tclassified.com, jamb.waec.com, bringing to you everything that you need to prepare for your JAMB and WAEC. We have video CDs for all our lectures. Please, if you need them, you can call my phone number. Check in the description part of this video, see my phone number and my other contacts. Get to me. If you have any questions, get to me. My phone number is 070-671-62698. So let's get back to this history of accounting. Record keeping or recording. Sorry for the typographical error. Record keeping is as old as man. Record keeping is as old as man. So very, very important. Record keeping is as old as man. So you cannot actually say that record keeping started in so and so time, because it actually started with man. Man started as old as man existence in the world is also keeping record. So we can actually look at the starting of this record keeping when the merchants in the Babylonian and Assyrian civilization, about 4,000 years BC, when they were doing their merchants. And by then, merchant simply means buying and selling. They were doing their buying and selling. By then, it was actually, they did what we call marking on the walls and stone. If they want to write, like if they want to keep records about what they are doing, they mark on walls, and they mark on stones, and they mark on what we call papyrus or wax tablets. So that was actually what they were doing then. So that was actually how accounting started. So it began actually with the merchants in the Babylonian and Assyrian civilization in about 4,000 years before Christ BC. So this accounting actually started with markings on the wall. So you take a stone that can be seen on another stone and you mark something. So that was how accounting started. So it started with markings on the wall, and markings on stones, markings on papyrus, and markings on wax tablets. So that was how the initial accounting was done in about 4,000 years before Christ. It was done across Babylon and Assyria. Now, it was actually an Italian monk and mathematician by the name Luca Paciolo who introduced the double entry book system in Italy in 1494. So this man actually is the man that is credited with the modern accounting, because the double entry book system is a major bookkeeping format in accounting. So it was actually Luca Paciolo that is credited with modern accounting. So these are just brief history that you need to know about accounting, that it actually started from the man from the Babylonian and Assyrian. It started during the Babylonian and Assyrian civilization about 4,000 years BC, and it was actually done by making some markings on the wall or stone or papyrus or wax tablets. And it was actually an Italian monk and mathematician known as Luca Paciolo that introduced double entry book system in the year 1494 that started up the modern accounting. Now let's look at branches of accounting. We have what we call cost accounting. We have management accounting. we have auditing, we have financial accounting, and we have taxation. So these are the various branches of accounting: cost accounting, management accounting, auditing, financial accounting, and taxation. So in this our course in accounting, as a form of preparation for your JAM and WAEC exams, we're going to be looking at cost accounting, we're going to be looking at management accounting, we're going to be looking at auditing, we're going to be looking at financial accounting, as well as taxation. So we're going to be taking these one by one. We're going to be x-raying them in the course of this study so that you understand what accounting is actually all about. So very, very important, you need to take note of the two things that we've looked today: the brief history of accounting, that says that accounting actually started during the by the merchants in the Babylonian and Assyrian civilization about 4,000 years BC, and it started by making some markings on the walls, on stone, on papyrus, and on wax tablets, and that it was actually a man known as Luca Paciolo, an Italian monk and mathematician, who introduced the double entry bookkeeping system in Italy in 1494. This double entry book system is also known as the Italian method, and it was a major milestone in accounting in the world. Also, as a refresher for the last class that we did, we looked at stages in accounting. If you want to do accounting, first of all, you need to gather information or data. You need to collect data. That is the first thing you do in the stages of accounting. The next thing you do is that after gathering this data, you need to process them, you need to add them up, you need to subtract them, you need to multiply them, you need to do the perform basic manipulation and mathematics on them. That is called data processing. You need to use them to plot charts, graphs, pie charts, and present them in a very good way. So when you're after manipulating them, presenting them in form of charts and reports so that people can easily see them and make decisions is what we call reporting. That is the final aspect. Reporting simply means presentation of the processed data so that company managers can easily see them. If you go and pick up data concerning the prices of everything that you're selling in your organization, you need to arrange them in get the totals and everything. Then after that, you need to present them in form of charts and graphs so that the management can make decision. And those are the three stages: data collection, data processing, reporting. So please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you.